Hello and Doogee office in Shenzhen. This company launched the first modular phone before. It was called X90. So this time I'm having this phone on my hand. We can detach this power bank from this phone, and also they come with a walkie-talkie and 9 short modules for this X90. Because this phone was so successful that this company wanted to promote more on these modular phones. That's why they come up with the X95 series this time. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, we have a paper for this phone and the phone itself, and a charger and a USB-C charging cable. And here we have the speaker, one of the modular design, and also the power bank. So we can connect the phone with the speaker by the magnetic pins, so it's very easy for you. What is smart is that this power bank, we have a stand here, so we can put it on the table. It's very convenient. This speaker comes with 6 watts, so 3 watts on each side. And we have a Type-C for charging this speaker, so it will not use the battery from your phone. And here we have the power bank, so you just need to attach it and the phone will charge immediately. And they improved the design a little bit from this S95 compared to the X90. So we can see the very huge power bank for the X90. So we can see the difference here. S90 has a fingerprint at the back, but they move the fingerprint on S95 from the back to this side. So you can always use the fingerprint, even if when you're using the modulars. Also, you can see that the 2 power banks, they have different design. The new power bank has a much curved shape, so it's very easy for you to hold, and it's more comfortable. Let's check on this phone. So this phone comes with a 6.3 inch with a water drop on the top. So we have a 3 size bezelless. The resolution of this phone is Full HD Plus, which means 1080 by 2160 pixels. They're using IPS for this phone, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. Let's check on different size. We have Type-C for charging here, but it's sealed. And on this side, we have a fingerprint sensor, power button, volume buttons, and 1 SIM card here. And at the back, we have a triple camera, and on this phone, this is one of the big selling points. And the main sensor here is 48 megapixel. They're using the Sony IMX586. The rest of the 2 cameras are 8 megapixel, and they are for depth and wide angle. And at the back and the bottom, we have a magnetic pins for attachment, and also we have speaker here. And on this side, we have a programmable button, and we have a SIM card slot and also the TF card slot for this phone. So you can see this design of this phone is quite premium because they're using the metal on 2 sides, and also the design at the back is very nice. Let's see what's inside this phone. The processor they're using is Helio P90, and the operating system is Android 9. This GPU is Imagination. The battery for this phone is 5150 milliampere, and so it comes with a 24 watts quick charge. The memory and storage is 8 GB plus 128 GB, and it can support a TF card expandable up to 256 GB. So this phone also supports face unlock, NFC, and also the wireless charging. This phone is on pre-sale and the price is $399 US. If you prefer to buy the whole kit, the price would be $499 US. To recap, this phone is really nice design and already comes with 2 modules here, and it can be expandable with even more modules such as walkie-talkie and infrared in the future. Now I would like to show you how the volume changes after we attach the speaker to this phone. So now we are already in the maximum on this phone, but after we attach the speaker to this phone, we can the volume still can go even higher, so that you can have very good hi-fi effect.